today's video, I'm going to teach you how to charge Mavic Air 2 controller. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Charging your Mavic Air 2 or any other controller from DJI is extremely simple. All that you need is a standard USB-C cable. So you will be plugging the USB-C end into the device. The other end can be either USB-A or USB-C, it doesn't matter. You will be able to tell the battery levels by these 4 LEDs. They will light up individually one by one until all 4 are fully lit up like this. So you will plug one end of a cable into the DJI itself device like this. This is going to be USB-C. The other end is going to go into a standard power adapter, just like the one that you use to charge your phone. Like I said before, this one can be either USB-A or USB-C. It doesn't matter, as long as you establish a connection between a power adapter on a valid power outlet to give power to the DJI. Once you plug it in like this, it is going to begin charging, and you will be able to look at these 4 LED indicators to tell when it is fully charged. You can use any power adapter, even the one that you use to charge your phone. There are some specified ones that might make it charge faster, but overall it doesn't really matter as long as it is compatible and you establish a connection. And you can use either USB-A or USB-C. Leave it for about an hour or even more if you want to be safe until you see all 4 LED indicators light up, and this will tell you that it is fully charged. You can apply the same logic with any other DJI controller or even drone. If it's not charging, try a different cable or a different power adapter. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed according to the channel metrics. If this video helped you, your subscription would mean a lot. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.